say, I just had drank the whole 4 ounces, and I still want more. That's why I'm sucking on my fingers and stuff. We're attempting to. Oh, you done drank enough, baby. Mom's gonna have to look that up. Mom, I don't think you're supposed to drink more than that. Not at your age. I don't know. Oh, don't get mad at me, please. Where are you going? Huh? Oh, don't get mad. Oh, don't get mad. Say hello to everybody. Where are you going? Such a strong little boy. Ooh. You're so cute. You're so cute. You know that? You're so cute. You're such a sweet baby. Yeah. You're such a sweet baby. The last 2 nights I have slept. I only woke up when I'm supposed to be fed. And that's it. I'm such a good boy. Just because I said something, you'll probably give me hell tonight, but that's okay. Oh, get mad. Okay, time to go bye-bye. Say bye.